Hello, this is Claudia at Tutu.com. Today we're making a lot of different headpieces. This one is a Kokoshnik, and it's made, I'll show you the back, with millinery wire and metallic mesh and a lot of jewels and trims. It's very lightweight. We have to add the horsehair to it, which will go around this edge here so that the dancer can pin it to her head. And Hong over here is making 1,000,000 Swan Lake headpieces for Second Act Swan Lake that the Kelsey Kirkland Academy of Ballet is going to be performing in New York on May 25th at Symphony Space. And this is the beginning of a little tiara for the Swan Queen. It will go on there when it's done. Let's see what else we're doing. Oh, we've got these headpieces too. You can see what a mess we have. These are for the scarf dance from Bayadere, and they are rigeline and horsehair sewn together and trimmed up with some pretty trims. And they go with these costumes right here. And over here, as you can see, it's very crowded and messy in here. We need space desperately. Betsy is making shapes that the feathers get put on. And on the back side, what we're doing is sewing 1/4-inch twill tape about every inch or so, half inch, so that when the dancer puts it on her head, she has a place to bobby pin into it without the bobby pins showing on top of the feathers. So that's what Betsy's doing right there. And these are some trims that Sarah made for the scarf dance costumes. Here's a bodice. And Jessie's working on Snow Queen tiaras. As you can see right now, she's wiring some diamonds onto this one. And once everything's wired on, she'll shape it, bend it and shape it. It's on millinery wire. She'll shape it to a head form and add horsehair to hold its shape. Here's another one that she's done. And over here, here's one that's finished. Let me pull it out so you can kind of see it. You can see the horsehair has been hand sewn around the millinery wire, and then it sits on top of the dancer's head. And she can bobby pin straight through the horsehair. We spray the horsehair to match the girl's hair color. And over here, what are you doing, Sarah?
I just finished some more of these, and I'm going to go trim them up.
All right, great. So that's another day at Tutu.com, and it is still tight and messy in here. Say goodbye, girls.
Bye.